All right, question on number 45. So we'll get this set up. I've got a bowling ball, mass 7.3 kilograms, radius 9 centimeters, rolls without slipping down a lane at 3.3 meters per second. Calculate its total kinetic energy. So I'm in an SI unit there for mass. I need it in SI unit, so 0.09 meters for my radius. What am I going to need? I've got linear velocity, right? I'm watching it roll down, but I'm just tracking the object's motion pertaining to a point on the ground, right? I need kinetic energy rotational, or just kinetic energy in general. What's it saying? Calculate its total kinetic energy. So K total is going to equal kinetic energy translational plus kinetic energy rotational. So 1/2 mv squared, we've got that, plus 1/2 I omega squared. So what is it for a sphere? I equals, I'm going to be honest, I don't know, you're going to have to look it up, but I know it's something, mr squared. What is that number? I think it's 2/5, but I'm not sure. And then omega V equals omega R, so I've got my V, 3.3 omega, and I've got my 0.09, and I'll be able to plug that in. So you got to get that coefficient there. You've got your mass, you've got your radius. You can solve for omega, 3.3 and 0.09. You've got your mass, you've got your velocity. So the biggest issue here is when they say kinetic energy total, it's got translational kinetic energy. If it were sliding, bowling ball slide, right? You can see them actually on the Pro Bowling Ball Tour, or Pro Bowling Tour, PBT, right? They slide and then they'll start rotating and catching, right? So they'll be rotating and sliding, and then they'll catch and you'll see them spin. So even if it were just a block sliding, that energy has the ability to knock pins down, right? So it's rolling and it's moving, so it doesn't have to slide, but it's translating and rotating, both, right? Both have an amount of energy. So that rolling component adds energy to it. So look that up on the rotational inertia for individual shapes. Do your conversion, make sure you're in meters, so SI units, meters, kilograms, seconds, and stuff like that, and then the total is translational and rotational. Hope that helps.